She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Hala. At her young age, she is already exposed to the school setup, both academics and extracurricular activities, where she is actively participated in the search for Mr. and Miss SPKSN 2011. While Russell attended also in kindergarten class. He is the only son of Mrs. Gaku. He is a fast learner pupil. He excels in class performances and also has a talent in dancing.
Bilis mo yan. Next time na yung wala. Ha?
Once again, our Mr. and Miss St. Franklin Kiddie School of Knowledge 2011. Russell Adrian R. Gaku and Eliza D. Hala. Let's give them a big warm of applause.